Kali di Keane College, kabadai ke college ke benengkong akan tanj dalam mingi ban ai jinan jing start tang ye ki kintai, henry ki bor penyat jokan ke college kila kendit threat, ban yuk pediang ya ke hukum na ke Shillong Cantonment Board, kabala betha baki day ban Siew Iaka Khajna palat saupusan Lak Tyngka. Kani ke hukum, kalapun kuslai ya ke college, bat kan buru ye ki hak jing ke bakrau ban beteng ban ai jing syakri nang ni syakmat ye ki samlakan thai. Kibor penyat jokali di Keane College habakila yu pediang ya ka hukum na Chief Executive Officer kata CEO Jingeh Shillong Cantonment Board VJ Rajak kila kendit habala betha yaki baki deben Siew Iaka Khajna service charges kabakot Shaka saupusan Lak Tyngka arpusan hajar kendai spak sanpun riu Tyngka nadu ubenai yeyong arajar arpuar hadu ulber arajar arpulai. Kabalong kat kumki kendon sispak kendai Jongka Cantonment Act arajan riu. Ya kani ke college la seng nedu usnam kat kendai spak lai pusan. Ha kaba wat ikari India ru kampat iyo eke jinglat lut nya ke sarkar pareng. Bat ha kate kapor kam simla dan satya ke Shillong Cantonment Board. Henry mintapan ke cantonment kala betha ke college ban Siew Iaka Khajna ya kaba kibabun hi kimla ban muddur ni songyahap. UPCN lo persang bani keren bar principal jong kali di Keane College ubak klur mukim ya ke baka college kan le halor kani ka Khajna henry namar ka jing dan bun palat ki Jingeh lang ki bakerki ubak mukim simla yu alat bani kendu UPCN nakaliang jo menteri ke puli putih ubak lakmen remboy uloong ba ka sarkar jela kan le kat bala ban penti kena ba kali di Keane College kan beteng ban trekam klem kanu ke jing syak penwit.
But formally the governing body of the Lak Tyngka College, to the best of my knowledge, have not informed the state government. But on a personal front, I have talked with the principal of the Lak Tyngka College yesterday and inquired about how it started and why this issue. And he has explained to me that this is the first time that this type of thing happened, and to the best of their knowledge, that the Lak Tyngka College, which established more than 100 years back, since 1934, if I'm not mistaken, that pre-cantonment era, and they have all the record that prove that they are not in the cantonment area. But having said that, I think in the next 2-3 days, the present principal and the previous principal of the college, they will sit, and the governing body, they will sit, and necessary step to be taken, they will take, and we from the government, we will do everything to ensure that the Lak Tyngka College, the prestigious college in the state of Malaysia, will be function without pressure from anybody.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.